Hello. Kiska joltio? Lilia. Lilia sipug. Oh, Lilia sipug. Ges kumina pochianum. Wala li otan del bejida yohum sid. Ge hamidanesh. Na. Anki de manesh, jisahamo. Ben to the boy, we go homa. Sante mawiomi. Giskuk. Hideaway, I'm sit when Hunky de man a whole settlement so on Grand Chief. Jisahamo Ben. Aha, wiguma. Alalie. All right, Maujum, Kelsey book to school, they mold ya. Alia sipug. Gue. Gue upte mo kiskug. Nado. Hamida.
Watching Josephine, don't watch the TV. Yeah. Don't watch Josephine. Oh my goodness.
Gelo gelada hadio. Apilo eh? Menos de. Gelo gelada hadio. Wala dia gwalta higel.
So up next, we're going to play a recording from Escazoni Daycare. And here it is. Ready, steady, go.
Dummy ain't Santa Claus, dummy ain't Santa Claus, woola ain't, willy nibby sudama, willy nibby sudama, ho 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 ho. Dummy ain't Santa Claus, dummy ain't Santa Claus, woola ain't, willy nibby sudama, willy nibby sudama, ho 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 ho. Yay! Ginger West Go, all is dead and all that pin, da ba ba nick Ginger West Go, all is dead and Kira, turn around. Cheerio, all that pin, da ba nick Well, nibi ala sodoma. Well, nibi ala sodoma. Well, nibi ala sodoma. Apasumanane. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Wala dia gasusokni. Guess mo siyawi daw. I'll take a little bit of time to introduce everybody here. Blair Gould Deluisi.
No, shoot.
Oh, Justine Paul. Margaret Paul. Chantella Prosper.
Faye Google. Loretta. Wait, Mabel, from List to Good. I think you guys are up next. Yep, we can hear you.
Gisi mute atas pe microphone no.
It's up to you.
Mute ade na microphone.
Just for a minute.
Okay.
Lolland.
We don't.
Ardig Mabel Glasikish. Kilo nesh panige.
Okay.
Goelte mo kisko.
So habasi na wenji go. I'm sitting there, you me join.
Moho.
No, message.
This way.
Newijik.
There. Nah.
Nanige nanijik. Kwe. Medawolotio.
Ali Mugisi gohoi.
Nanige, wel niet meer get chick.
Okay. Well, do we have?
Wel naar de leg.
Ali, Maddox, Sadie, Kylie, Jasmine.
Medawolotio.
Kwe.
Wat is sipu? Oh, elotiek dit. Nou. El temo soha biasin na winji guam.
So Habasin, up on the rooftop.
Oh, we'll dado. Take it away.
Okay? You know?
Wel dahig, wel adieg. Anquist nudum. Wel dahig, wel adieg. Wel adieg el kilo. Okay.
So up next, we're gonna play a video from the Escazoni Immersion School. It's just a short little clip.
Ese sochnigo e siawa sigil nue ginama nuogom.
Okay, here we go.
I was trying to figure out how to say this.
Wel adieg ese sochnigo e siawa sig. El nue ginama nuogom. Eastern tigni shemul dia. Batten kegoa.
Hello. Kwe.
Kwe medawolotio.
Kwe.
Kwe el temu ya kiskuk. Did you esko? Okay. Nal demog.
Chico Esco, Mera de la Hon. Well, Tabia, after click, Teva Honey too. Oh, Chico Esco, Mera de la Hon. Well, Tabia, after click, Teva Honey too. Oh, oh, Chico Esco, Mera de la Hon. Well, Tabia, after click, Teva Honey too. Oh, Chico Esco, Mera de la Hon. Well, Tabia, after click, Teva Honey too. What's wrong with you? Oh, Chico Esco, Mera de la Hon. Well, Tabia, after click, Teva Honey too. Oh, Chico Esco, Mera de la Hon. Well, Tabia, after click, Teva Honey too.
Thank you. Have a good Christmas. Thank you.
The glasses look like Molly.
Yeah, that's Molly's daughter, Meadow.
Well, Aliag, and we just want to remind everybody that all the schools participating will receive an iPad, and they'll be mailed out to you next week. Yeah! Apps! Download our apps. Kevin, are you there? Amen.
We are here in Halifax and in Mi'kmaq-Ganamantli for the directors meeting. So would everyone want to give a big shout out to all the kids and tell them Merry Christmas?
Well, Aliag.
So up next, we're gonna play a recording from Pictou Landing First Nation School. Just give me 2 seconds.
Elde mi dish want to hit pa a huli no elewi.
Halloween.
Welaliek, Pictulanning. Well, Jahek.
I just wanted to say, way to go, PLFN. Woo!
Welaliek, Chief Andrea.
I also wanted to say they were on our Pictou County Christmas Fund over the weekend. They played on TV there Sunday.
Wow, on the Eastlink channel, hey?
Yeah, they were
Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Aquilo. Moin Sibu, eh, mon dia?
Malachi.
Nee, moeder.
Olia, goeie thee moet je kieskok.
Nee, me do amishka han. Achisha weshko, dabugo. Abcheshko.
Welaliek, goeie thee moet je niet.
Ready? Now, double seats. Okay, you get Jiju Weshko.
Welaliek. No Sibu ginamad welcome.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh, William. Moleste.
Wil je Sipuk, zeg maar?
This
How you
is
doing?
yeah, the chief from
Ze beginnen.
wanted to say, hey!
What's going on? You guys gonna sing too?
Hopefully. Right after you. Bloemenquay, Chief Sack. Zeg maar.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Welaliek, ze beginnen, gadik.
William.
Wil niet bij jou zitten, maar die rostep. Moin Sibu. Moin Sibu, Brenda, amen.
Let's go to Metabenagia.
Benagia, recorded.
Yep, so we're gonna play the video from Metabenagia School. And I bet it's Jewish school. Yes.
Oh, it's fun, it's to ride in one
feel like I should have too. Well, all the egg. Medeminagya. 3 wishes. Aimuldia, Clarissa. Amen.
Hello.
Yes, they're there.
Hi, Clarissa.
Oh, yay.
Medamolotio. Goyaltimuya Giskog. Aliasipug. What are you singing today?
We are singing We Wish You a Merry Christmas in Mi'kmaq English. Now, English is our first language.
No worries. I'm sure they're going to do amazing. Alrighty. Ready when you are.
Good job.
Walalieg. Sachmo. Sachmo's Jerry Gala. Walalieg. Chief Harold Sapir Memorial Elementary School. Recorded.
And what are they singing?
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Wow. Wel dachig, walalieg. Nadawi das ultijig. Eskano bede Jamuldia?
I must apologize. We've lost our own news speakers. Some couldn't make it in today, so sorry about that. But the children are singing in Ilnuisi.
Awesome.
Hi,
That's
Vera.
amazing.
Hey, kitties.
Goyalte Mokiskog.
Say just one. Okay, so go ahead, guys. Nell, Donald, cease.
Mommy get it too. Let me do the end. Deli Hulda all. Hula Jijuesko. Nagosa Sujek Agel Jijuesko, Jijuesko. Ali Mededao. Oteria Alefim. Deva Onyxu. Jijuesko, Jijuesko. Ali Mededao. Oteria Alefim. Deva Onyxu.
Walalieg Eskano bede. Wel daheg. Wel I ni biala sydd yma ni dosib. Member 2 school?
Is a recording. I'm not sure what.
Wel te mi dish.
I am not sure. Surprise.
Oh, baby.
There's my play button here.
You put your antlers in, put your antlers out, put your antlers in, and you shake it all about. And do the crazy pokey, and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. And you drink.
You put your
Tail in, put your tail out, put your tail in, and you shake it all about. And do the crazy pokey, and you
Wel daheg. Wel al i member 2. Wel hamad ko go school eh mo dio? Era lo dio. Oh, Elia. Koil te mo ya giskog. Oh, wow. Okay. Nado ta begiadi.
Okay, Sandra, come on, I'm the most awesome. Ready? Ready, yo? Ready, yo? Okay, Franklin, yeah. Ready, yo?
Drummer boy translated by
Wel adieg, wel daheg. Wel adieg, wedi ni biala sydd yma ni dosib. Allison Bernard Memorial High School. Allison Bernard Memorial High School, they mo dio?
Hi guys, can you give us like about
Hey
5
Carter,
minutes?
yes, we can hear you.
Can you give us about 5 minutes? Just students are just arriving.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, I'm just gonna mute the microphone.
Okay. Does anybody want to volunteer to sing another song? Encore? That guy.
Luis got it.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Goil Jim Wiek. Oh, she's on mute. Mute take up microphone and Lulu. Good luck.
Okay.
Well done. Well all the egg, no more listening. Allison Bernard. Carter, you ready? Just about ready. Much better. We can see everybody in the frame now.
So unmute your mic, Carter. Don't forget. Carter, you gotta unmute your microphone. I think he's still setting up.
Carter.
Let's go, Carter.
Unmute your microphone, please.
There we go.
So it's not listed here, Carter, but what are you guys singing for us today or playing for us today?
So, students in this room right now are from both of the Music 10 classes. And everybody here is a brand new guitar player. They just started playing in September, beginning of the year.
That's awesome.
And this is our first Christmas song we're learning. And so we're going to do Silent Night. And who's here? Clifton, Paul, Juliana, Poulette, Lavina Marshall, Farron Young, Irwin, Paul, Israel, Regalato, Kaylee Prosper, and Rod Nicholas. Are you guys ready?
Awesome. We're ready.
All right. Good. Can you still hear me? I put the microphone on the floor.
Yeah, we hear you.
All right, here goes.
Well done. Well on you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Carter. That was
guys next year.
amazing.
Yeah. See you next year for sure.
Take care. Bye.
They'll be singing and guitaring.
Yeah, you never know. Well, we do a lot of singing actually here too, as you guys are aware of.
Oh yes.
That this is what we chose to do today, you know, and
That's awesome.
yeah, stay tuned.
Thank you
Stay
so
tuned
much.
for a new song and music video in January or February from us.
Ooh, any
like the
hints?
Gentle Warrior song, right? Like
Any
another song and video
hints?
like that. Yeah. So, thank you very much.
That's awesome. Thank you very much, Carter.
Take care.
See you guys.
Alrighty. Naam Sidna. Well, all the Dilbit Dayo. Eda will dieg. Will in be also to Madino. Well, all the egg. The multis nen. Fe next week. Guess I'll allow it. The multis.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I'll send out the iPads next week.